Yes, sir.
Oh. कर लो.
Hey my friends, Coorg city, it is almost 20 to 30 minutes by driving cabs. The name of the place is Kaveri Nisargadhama. You can see this is also a hanging bridge, okay, and you can do the boating over here. Look at this.
Wow,
The place is absolutely nice, and okay, so my friends, you need to buy one ticket. Okay, so per ticket it is 20 rupees. Okay, this is a ticket. Okay, so you need to buy a ticket, and for boating separately you will be charged. So if you want to do boating on in this river, so you need to purchase a ticket which is separately charged. I don't know what is the charge of the boating because I'm not gonna do the boating. It's like very simple and not so much special. It seems not so special. Okay, and for the boating entrance you can go from here. It's boating entrance. So this is a boating entrance from here. So there is handicraft emporium which is just right beside of the hanging bridge. Handicraft emporium, and this is the place from where you can do the boating. So let me check what's the charges of boating, so that if you people come you can at least try. So my friends, if you want to do the boating you need to come over here. This is the hanging bridge. Two people it is 100 rupees, and you need to do only for 10 minutes. So I don't think so it's worthy, so I'm not gonna do this. But yes, the view is absolutely marvelous. You can just to check the view, you can come down over here and you can check this out. So I just got to know from my driver that 2018 there was a big flood, and the water of this river become so much high that everything was submerged. Cottages is also there, so if you are planning to do one night stay, and also you can do this thing. This is the way of cottages, and this is the gate. Okay, it is strictly written that visitors are not allowed. You can see, right? Visitors are not allowed. Okay, so why I'm doing this shot, because I just wanted to show you as how's the cottages. So it looks like a small heart. So in left hand side there is a gents and ladies toilet. So let's check guys what's there at the So guys, just walking through the bamboo tree. I don't know what's the end of this place, but yes, it's very big. So I want to show you one special thing, which is the tree house. So you can see tree house from here. Just a second. So it's a big tree house in front of me. So I have seen many different types of birds, and because the place is so much cool, calm, and there is no pollution. This is the only reason that you can see the different type of birds in this beautiful environment. So my friends, I'm going to do one activity. Let's see how it's going on. So I'll doing video with that. Look at me. Woo. So now I'm climbing the stairs.
Yeah, like a chair. Sit down.
Sit down?
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, you can leave it both. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Jump. Jump up.
Thank you. So my friends, this is Deer Park. My driver is, asking me to come with him. Let's see what surprises wait for me now. So I'm going in the forest.
वो लोग सामने आना ही पड़ेगा क्या बोले कोई इधर लॉक करके रखा है मैंने थोड़ा मालूम है ना अपना कोई हाँ और एक क्या बात बोले तो आप व्हाट्सएप में ये नहीं चलाना इसका फोटो भी तो क्या तो लेने तो आप देख लो आपको दोस्त लोग को आपका मोबाइल पे दिखा लो व्हाट्सएप में सेंड नहीं
ठीक है सेंड
किया तो
पक्का
उनको इधर ही जगह बोलकर पक्का मालूम कर
अच्छा ओके नो प्रॉब्लम ठीक है
सर मेरे पुत्रा ऊपर बैठ के क्या पूछ रहा है
ऊपर हाँ
ट्राई करे आ जाओ
डरने की कुछ नहीं है ना
कुछ नहीं है
चलो ठीक है
ಅದೇ ಭಯ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು ಈಗಲೇ
अच्छा
नहीं डर लग रहा है बोले तो ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು ಸರಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಬನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಪ್ಪ
ಭಯ ಲಗಿದೆ
ಬರೀ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಫೋಟೋಗೆ ಇದು ಇದೆಂತ ಇದು ಇದೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ बड़ी सर ये कोड़ी सा भाई कोड़ी सा दे दो दियो उधर रखो का लेता है हाँ वैसा काले उन काले सही तो बस सर ये कोई बनी हाँ ये कोई क्या बैठते हैं तो बैठ लो बॉल लगी तो कुत्ते मार यार इधर काले को अरे भाई अरे बैठ सर ये सर भाई भाई कितना बैठ इसका लॉक चल गया मैडम आप ले लो इसका लॉक चल गया ओपन कर दो
अच्छा आपके मोबाइल से खींचो
एक मिनट ये बैग तेरे एकत्र ले 500 इधर दे दे वो फॉरेस्ट वाला देख लिया तो मुश्किल होता है मैडम उसमें भी ले लो एक मिनट सेट आई लागिला ना हां डाल दे हाँ कर लो ठीक है और भी वाह
थैंक यू अच्छा
आप जल्दी वो फॉरेस्ट वाला देख लिए तो इनको गाली देते हैं
Too much journey because of the road. As you can see, I am laughing, jumping. So let's the journey begin. So my friends, you can see the heaven from here.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here I got time, it's clear to see.